What's up, guys? So right now we're heading to Dustin Williams' house. Pretty cool guy. I just met him. I don't know him personally, but he asked us for some security film on his garage. Badass shop he's building up here in Riverside County. So they're moving their shop from San Diego up here. We're gonna do some cool security film as well as do some sealant. And what he picked was a combination film. The film itself, it provides not only security, stops people from seeing in, adds some privacy. So it's gonna be pretty cool. We're heading there now. All right, so we're here at Dustin Williams' place. This is a beautiful garage. He's got tons of cool cars. We've done a few windows, so we got this side done pretty much. The uppers and lowers on those, we just have to do the uppers. We figured we'd just tape everything off, finish off the lowers, and then do the uppers. But sick, dude. Dustin, this thing looks amazing.